Hi, my name is Magda, and today I'm going to show you how to make a square centerpiece stand. There are different kind of style arrangements. There are tall, short, round, oval. In this case, we're going to build square stand centerpiece from a cylinder. So you can use the cylinder as a base, as a square base. This is the stand of the cylinder, of the arrangement, and on the top we're going to create a little, detail. The materials we are going to use are a cylinder. We are going to use a silver tray. We are going to use a small silver vase, and we are using white calla lilies. First things that we are going to do, we're going to put the liter silver container in the middle of the tray, and we're going to put one of the calla lilies on the top of this liter container, and the rest of the calla lilies we're going to spray them around the tray. When we finish this, we're going to take the stand, which is the cylinder. We're going to put like in between 2 or 3 calla lilies inside, and then at the final we're going to place the tray on the top of the stand, and that will be all.